The job entails collecting furniture from the public, furniture that they feel that they're finished with it, but somebody else could possibly get more use out of with some form of repair, revarnishing, recovering, whatever. And that's what we do here. We take stuff in from the public, assess it, repair it, recover it, revarnish it, take it into the showroom here and sell it on. Or if people prefer to get it back themselves, they can do so at a price. We will repair, renovate as well as part of the service that we are providing. We have trainers, we have students, participants, whatever, and it's difficult to give them a name. We have, at the moment today, I've got 3 people here. I've got one in here and 2 in the workshop. 2 in the workshop are, one's here 4 days a week and the other one for 1 day. And they're with Moan guidance, doing possibly most of the work. With furniture, we're if it's old stuff, we take it in, assess it, quite possibly strip the varnish or paint or whatever's on it, strip it back to the wood, treat it for woodworm if it's needed, and prepare it for revarnishing up to our showroom standard and sell it on, especially when they see a piece of furniture coming in and they've been working on it from start to finish and they've been involved in the work and they see what the finished article is like. It gives them a lot of satisfaction knowing that they've been involved in it and what they can do themselves. Very good confidence booster when you see your own, when you can say, I've been involved in that, I've done that. We're doing what we set out to do, saving good furniture from going into skip, dump, landfill or whatever. Stuff that people are quite possibly tired of looking at with not a lot wrong with it. We take it in, tidy it up, fix it, whatever, and as I said, sell it on. People are a lot happier doing that than seeing their well-loved furniture going into the dump. With the heavier stuff, we will collect it and deliver it back to them, hopefully in a better condition than it came in. We've had no complaints so far anyway, so just hope it carries on.